Hi guys, I am back, and today I have got the Fidget Cube, and I'm just going to be doing an unboxing video for it. I am being sponsored to make this video, not by whoever created Fidget Cube, just by a store. Wish it was Fidget Cube. So yeah, let's get in with the video then. So, the first thing you see when you open it is the instructions. I literally can't open the box with one hand. So you have the instructions, and you have the actual cube. So, the things you can do with this are, you can click these. It's a bit like a dice, to be honest. What face was that? Seriously, what face was that? You can spin it. So, I do have a fidget spinner, but sadly I broke it because for some reason I used it as a ninja star. So yeah, and we have like a switch here. Oh, by the way guys, Minecraft Capo 5 also made a video about this, so make sure to go and check out his channel to see what happens. Yeah, then we have this, so it's basically a joystick. You can glide it along. You can roll these, and you can roll this metal ball here. So guys, if you want to get one of these yourself, they're on Amazon, probably about £5 or $6, something like that. Whatever country you're living in, it's probably going to be different. And we've got one last one, which I don't know what this is for. Back in a minute, I'll go and have a look at the box. Or the instructions. No one reads instructions. The box. Right, so it says to breathe. No clue what that means. Or maybe it's just to stop, so you like... Oh, and you have this to spin. So, yeah, these can be used at home, work, and in school. So guys, make sure to go and check out Minecraft Capo 5's video on the Fidget Cube, and yeah, like and subscribe. Bye.